it's Ari and I'm back with another video, back, and today I am here with another hair tutorial, and today I collaborated with Love Me. This is my second time collaborating with Love Me Hair, and the hair is still just as bomb as the first time that I tried out their wig. It's really full, as you can see. This one is colored, it's like a brown color, but it's like an ombre because it's the black into the brown, you feel me? But yeah, the color was really cute, how it came and everything like that. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck it a little bit and everything like that. They gave me this little clip. I hope I got it in right, but yeah, it just says Love Me. So they have clips and everything like that. Comes with an elastic band inside, so you don't even have to sew in one, which is automatically a plus. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so right here I'm just cutting off the bald cap. I already glued it down and everything like that and tinted it, so I'm just cutting it off. Don't cut your ears. This the wig right here. All right, I'm about to put it on now. Yeah, make sure it fit over my big forehead. But yeah, just adjust it to your liking. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to go ahead and apply 2 layers. I really should have did 3, but this is my first time trying this glue out, so I only put 2. I'm not a huge fan of it, honestly. It started turning white on me. I don't know why. Maybe I ain't let it dry. Normally I use lace grip, but I wanted to try something new. So yeah, I'll be going back to lace grip. So y'all already know what time it is, all right? It's time to lay that wig down. It's time to melt it into the glue. And yeah, it's just on to the money. All right, y'all, so y'all got to get that extra melt down. So go ahead and use your little wrap. I think they actually sent this wrap too. And then you want to go ahead and blow dry on cool/warm/cool/warm. Y'all get it. Just mix the temperature on the blow dryer. And yeah, this is a Silverbird, my favorite blow dryer ever. And I'll go ahead and take off that brown head wrap and get the plucking, baby. It was a little thick, so I said, this ain't really me. So I went to pluck just a little bit. Y'all get the point. Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, this lace was all down my forehead. I'm looking like them girls who be having a lace on their forehead. It's the no for me. Get to cutting, baby. Alright, and then I didn't show the part, but any excess flaps left up, just go ahead and use that glue and apply the same layers. So here I'm just pulling out the baby hairs, and I'm about to go ahead and lay my baby hairs just a tad bit. I ain't want to do too much this time go around. So yeah, you don't gotta do too many baby hairs, but you can do, you know, to your liking. So yeah. All right, swoopy on the baby hairs. Y'all already know what it is. You hold one finger down, swoop with the other, and that's just how you get the job done. So y'all done see me do baby hair so many times. I got so many different baby hair techniques. I just do whatever, you know what I'm saying? So I use the Gorilla Snot. Y'all already know it's my favorite. I used to use the She Bomb glue, but I just got tired of ordering it, so it's just easier to go to the beauty plus store. So yeah, now go ahead and part out that side part, middle part, whichever one you want to do.
take that Care wax stick, and then we're going to go ahead and hot comb that thing, the highest setting possible. We want to burn our scalp. That's how you know it's working, okay? That's how you know it's flat. Don't be afraid to burn your scalp. You got to get in there a little bit. The heat ain't going to stop nothing. Baby, beauty is pain. Burn that scalp. All right, now, sugar, it's time to perfect the part. Please don't look at the little bleach spot I did. I don't know how that happened. However, we're just going to go ahead and perfect it. Y'all already know how I rock with this. I use my concealer. I use, a shade lighter than my skin tone because, my hairline and stuff is not that dark or whatever. So then you want to go in with the mascara, wand black, and then you want to just perfect it. So you guys will see. All right, y'all. So on this part, I just go ahead and curl a little bit, nothing major. Just throw in some little waves because I didn't want to really do too much with this one, y'all. Like, I don't know. So just a couple waves will do. So yeah, you guys can curl it, straighten it, flat iron it. Well, I said straighten, flat iron, whatever you want to do. I just wanted to throw in just a little bit of waves in here. So yeah, I hope you guys like the finished look and love you guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. I didn't really want to do too much, honestly. Like, the hair was just bomb, so I was gonna do a cute little easy quick little wig video. So yeah guys, I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below. Of course, this hair is from Love Me Hair. This is my second time reviewing their hair, and both times were amazing. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notification bells, And I love you guys so much. Can't wait to see you in the next video.